Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Deriv. DerivX seamlessly integrates TradingView's powerful charting tools, offering you an enhanced analytical experience directly within the platform. This means you can leverage advanced features for market analysis without needing a separate TradingView account. It's designed to provide a smooth workflow, helping you make informed trading decisions with ease. We'll cover everything from accessing the charts to utilizing their extensive features. To begin, you'll need a Deriv account and a DerivX account. Once logged into Deriv, simply head to your trader's hub. From there, select the DerivX platform, which is your gateway to these advanced charting capabilities. Within DerivX, you can easily launch the TradingView charts by clicking on the Tools menu. This straightforward process ensures you can quickly access all the analytical power at your fingertips. DerivX, with its integrated TradingView charts, offers an impressive array of analytical tools. You can access over 100 built-in indicators, like moving averages and volatility studies, to deepen your market research. Additionally, more than 110 drawing tools are available to help you sketch trend lines and identify key patterns. With 17 different chart types, you can visualize market data in a way that best suits your trading strategy. After conducting your thorough market analysis using the powerful TradingView charts, the next step is trade execution. Remember, while TradingView provides the analysis, you will place your actual trades directly on the DerivX platform. This seamless workflow allows you to move from insight to action efficiently. You can then monitor your open positions and manage your risk parameters, such as stop loss and take profit, all within the DerivX interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.